Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Salza Mira, student ID number E32125201907. You can call me Caca. Here in this sessions, I will explain what kinds of presents are. 1. Professional process. What is professional process? Professional process is process the beings with profession and is followed by the object of the profession, usually noun, pronoun, or noun process. Its functions can be as an adjective, modifier, a noun, or as an verb, modifier a verb, adjective, or another adverb. General structure. Profession tambah object of the profession. Type explains of example of presence in sentence. Adjective. Example of presence on the table. Example of presence, the book is on the table. Adverbial. Example of presence in the morning. Example of process, I go to school in the morning. 2. Appositive process. What is appositive process? An appositive process is a process that explains or gives additional information about the noun next to it, usually a noun, its word, the word. The noun is by producing extra details, and appositive can be placed before or after. The noun is the describer and usually started by commas if the information is non-essential. General structure. Noun tambah appositive process. Example of process. My best friend. Example of process. Rina, my best friend, is very keen. 3. Verbal process. What is verbal appositive process? A verbal process is a process that is formed from a verb but does no function as the main verb and sentence. It means the event thought it comes from a verb. Verbal process can act as noun, objective, or adverb depending on its type. There are three main types of verbal process, not namely: A. Participial process, B. Absolute process, C. Gerund process, D. Infinitive process. A. What is participial process? A participial process is a process that begins with a particle, a verb, the ing or add from, and function as an adjective to describe a noun, pronoun. In the other words, a particle phrase gives additional information about person, thing, or idea in a sentence. General structure. Presence, past, a particle, tambah, adjective, or modifier. Type, presence. Example of process. Running fast. Example of a process. The boy running fast is my brother. B. What is absolute process? An absolute process is a process that consists of a noun and particle, a verb, thing, ing, and or past particle from, on provides additional information about the entire sentence, not just about a single word. This process does not have a main verb, so it cannot stand alone. Complete sentence usually and a stable presence coming from the main sentence. General structure. Noun tambah particle tambah object tambah modifier. Example of process. His arms folded. Example of a process. His arms folded. He wedged had the sunset. C. What is gerund process? Gerund process is I process the being with gerund verb ending in that functions as noun in a sentence. This means the gerund phrase as subject, object, or complete my sentence. General structure: gerund ing tambah objek modifier. Example presence: reading books. Example of presence: reading books is my hobby. D. What is infinitive process? An infinitive process is a process that begins with to, followed by a base verb on and the function as noun, adjective, or adverb is sentence with the noun it contains a verb. An infinitive process with no function as the present rather of part sentence use a subject, object, or modifier. General structure: to tambah verb, base verb tambah object modifier. Example of presence: to study English. Example of presence: I want to study English. Okay, that's all for this video about types of phrases. I hope this video can help you. Thank you.